Hello friends, Alfredo here from FIES Automotive. Today we want to show you, something. We're going to be fixing this truck. It's a 2004 F150 and it's a very common problem in these cars. It's the rear shackles. We're in Michigan, so we have a lot of salt on the roads on winter and the cars get really rusted. So let me show you what happened here. See, that's the rear shackle. It holds the spring leaf to the frame of the car. We're here in Michigan. The cars get really rusted. So we're gonna have to cut this bolt, take this piece out, cut the bolt up there, take the upper part out, and then we got a brand new shackle. See right here. All right, friends, I'm gonna give it a try. See if we can take this really bad looking nut out of there. Let's see. And it did. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try to take this one out. All right, friends. Now see, we got the parts out. The bad things that I had to cut them with the torches, as you can see, because these bolts and nuts were just impossible to take out. So sometimes that's what you gotta do. You gotta find a way to cut the bolts out and take the old shackle out and just put the new one. Let me show you how it looks now. See, right here. See, it's got the brand new shackle with brand new bolts, of course. Okay. On the side, same thing, right? Okay, that's it, friends. Hope this video helped you somehow, and if you liked it, please like us and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. See you next time.